Hi everyone, so this is the Fantasy Football Manager project that I have created for my assignment at Calo. Um, this is the login page. So I'll write the email and password here. Both the registration and login are handled on the same route. So I'll just add one sample email in the correct format. The password limitation is of 6 characters at least. As we log in, it will redirect us to the dashboard after the team creation process, which I have simulated to be of 3 seconds, to show that it will be created separately in the background. So we have my team here: 23 goalkeepers, 6 defenders, 6 midfielders, 5 attackers, and the name of all the team members here. The current budget is displayed on the top right, and apart from that we can also change the price at which we want to sell the player, although this is not needed, but anyways, this is and once we can see the profile here: user information, email, user ID. This is created in the backend using the UUID library, which will generate a separate token for us, unique for each user. Team statistics: current players, available budget, the sum of all players values. Team composition: how many goalkeepers, defenders, and other kind of players we have. This is the list of all the players. Currently we have not added anyone on the transfer list, so it shows no players currently on the transfer list. To do that, we can move back to the dashboard and maybe add one goalkeeper. Let's try adding one defender, and we can also add one attacker. Let's say this one. Now let's move to the profile, see the players that we have listed on the transfer list. We have 3, and in the marketplace we can also check these are here. Now if we want to search this player Robert, we can search by name as well, ROBERT, right? So we are able to see that this search functionality is also working. Transfer history: we have not made any kind of transfers so far, so it's showing empty. To create a transfer, we can log out, create another user2 @ user2.com. Okay, so yes, so we have user2. Let's check the profile. It's user2, and the ID is also different. Then we have team statistics and all the different players here. These are all chosen randomly. Let's check the marketplace. We had listed 3 players in the marketplace, if they are available for us to buy or not. Yes, we can see we have Allison, we have Robert, Giorgio, all 3 are there. Let's pick an attacker, Robert, here. So if I click on the buy, this is the amount, and once I have clicked on buy, let me see if I can see this player in the attacker list for me. Yes, so we have added Robert in the attackers list for our team. Let's see if our budget has reduced. Yes, it has reduced significantly. Earlier it was starting with a 5 here, but anyways, transfer history, we can see that we have made one transfer. We have made some savings as well of 5%, and this is the total cost. So there is no backend, no database. So currently we have these many routes. This is the Swagger Express API, an open source documentation that I have added. This is very helpful for me to configure when I'm building the backend, so I can see what kind of request or response body I'll be sending, and request body that I'll be receiving. So I have it for team, transfer, and odds. All the routes will be listed here. This is just like an alternative for Postman. However, this stays in sync and displays a lot more information than just Postman. That's why I prefer it. You can authorize the user by using some token as well, but anyways, this should not take much time because it is just an addition. The main functionalities are present here. I hope you like this. Thank you.